Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this particular video tutorial we're going to be looking at something called the AI Stylizer. Now this can be located under the tab of the AI Design Assistant. So if you're coming here for the first time, in the dashboard select Create Design, select the Fast AI Image Designer. Once you're in the Fast AI Image Designer, we're going to go to the AI Design Assistants. Okay, so as you go along, there we go. Okay, once you select the AI Design Assistant, step 1 will now appear. You're then going to be asked to select a category. So you've got a huge amount to choose from here. However, if you go all the way here towards the end, you have something called the AI Stylizer. Now, with the feature itself, AI Stylizer, it will allow a user to take an image and actually stylize it and transform it into a different style of imagery. So what I mean by that is, instead of me explaining it, how about I show you? Okay, so once I select the AI Stylizer, step 2 has now appeared. Now it's going to require you or request you to upload an image, and then the moment you upload the image, or you drag and drop an image if you have one, maybe your own or a client, then you'll see another step appear. So for this one, I'm going to go to an image here. Okay, we'll go for this little girl here, and you can see now under step 2 another step has appeared where we're now asked for an aspect ratio. I'm going to go 1:1, and you'll also see 16:9 and 9:16. So especially if you've got things like Video Express AI, then these are also great dimensions if you want to stylize your images and then integrate or bring them across to Video Express to bring them to life. You can also do that. So that's another important aspect of it. So just returning back now to the different styles. So there's a huge amount of different styles to choose from. Okay, we've got Pixar style, cartoon style, clay style, Ghibli, manga, pixel style. Okay, so that's Pixar and Pixel. I don't think probably sound a little bit similar, but they're different. And you've got, line art style, Rick and Mortar style, 3D, etc, etc. And this was another huge one people absolutely wanted, was vector style. And things like line art, it's like coloring style art, isn't it, as well? So the moment you've selected your reference image, okay, opposed to, we have the art illustrator, but this one will allow you to actually transform the reference photo as it is into any different style. So for that one, I'm going to go for vector style. Okay, and all you do is stylize. That's it. That's all you have to do. Once you select it, it will now then transfer you to the personal design section, where it will be under processing. Okay, so what we'll do, we give that a few moments to process, and we shall return. Okay, and there we have that image there. Okay, it's now been generated into a vector style. So you imagine this was the original here, and then we have the conversion like so. Okay, so a really nice transformation. And if I just return, let's go back to the AI Stylizer. Let's go through the process again. Let me just show you. So just remember, even if you have other similar type images, okay, and maybe you've got an adult image, that's fine. And maybe you want to build a coloring page, okay, for your coloring book, then obviously you can use the line art style, okay. That way you got more control as well, because that was another in-demand feature people wanted, the ability of transforming their own images into coloring style pages for their book. So same process, go to line art style and stylize. And then we'll give that a few moments, and then it'll redirect to the personal design section like so, and it'll be under processing. Okay, and just like that, look at that beautiful image there has now been converted into a coloring page. Okay, that was the original, and this is now the updated version. Okay, so you can then download, and you can actually add that into your own coloring book, and then you can compile it. So just imagine different types of pictures you can then convert, even adults as well. So you're not just restricted to children styles. Okay, you can make one of the other features was, like I mentioned, was adult style coloring book. So that's something else you can do. So just remember, in order to find this, go to the AI Design Assistants, select AI Stylizer, and then follow those simple steps as we have done in this video. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next video.